Our question today from our viewer is a bit of a personal question for you. And they want to know what your favorite dish is or dishes.
My favorite dishes. Oh boy,
That's a tough one for you.
if it's vegan and made with love and no oil, it's my immediate favorite. If it's put right in front of me, that becomes my favorite. I have become such a fan of the magnificent cuisine that's available to people in the plant-based world here. We'll get to my personal favorites, but I've just been so delighted. When I was growing up, I never would think of eating Thai food or Mexican food or Italian food. And now I welcome them all. There's just wonderful vegan chefs putting out these fabulous cuisines that it's hard to go wrong. That said, if I were marooned on a desert island and I could only have two or three dishes, what would I want? I'm a big quinoa fan. I would love one of my wife's Buddha bowls with a bed of quinoa and layers of green and veggies with her tahini dressing on top of it. I'm a big smoothie fan, green smoothies with a little bit of mango and maybe some blueberries in there as well. That morning oatmeal with just chock full of fruits and throw a couple of dates and raisins in there while it's cooking and a little sprinkle of cinnamon on top. That's a good day of eating for me. That kind of breakfast and a Buddha bowl for lunch and a smoothie for dinner. I'm a happy guy. So that's how it looks from Dr. K's viewpoint. Good question. I'm hungry now.
I was going to say that all of those sound good, and hopefully that will inspire some of our viewers to try all three of those if they can. So yes, definitely. I hope that was helpful to everyone. And thank you, Dr. Klaper, and we'll see you all next time.
Hi, everyone. Dr. Michael Klaper here, announcing our new format for our Q&A with Dr. K. Each day, Annie Hagen will be asking me one question that's been sent in by our viewers. So if you want to see if your question is getting answered, do join us for our daily Q&A with Dr. K right here. Hope to see you then.